Ito yung pinapasukan ng mga military before. So when the American soldiers opened this, may bomba dito. So pag inopen nila to, patay agad sila. But now this serves as a tunnel. Pasok ako sa loob.
I'm going inside.
We will try.
You have to crawl it, man.
Only crawling.
Only crawl?
Crawl.
Only crawl.
So here, I'm gonna go left here. So here, pasok tayo sa tunnel. Here. Right. Here. Baka magkamali ako ng pasok. Sabi nila, left and right. So wala nang ilaw. Wait, need a flashlight. Baka mawala ako. Walang ilaw. Ay, may ilaw na. It's quite scary. I'm gonna go this way, so lalabas na ako. Susubukit ako sa ilalim. Oh, wait, aray. So, nagkukurol lang ako ngayon. So, I'm going up. I'm alive. I'm alive.
You stretch your arm first. Yeah. Stretch your arm first.
Touch your arm.
Yeah, stretch your arm. Hands up. Hands up.
Oh, you see?
Yeah. Hands up. Always sword.
Yeah, hands up.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Okay.
I'm alive.
Hang on, thử đi.
Okay.
Then you can try. Yes, don't worry. No.
You just have to crawl.
Okay, my room. It's namaste.